Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your HP laptop meets requirements. Windows 10 or 11, current updates, and enough free space. This matters because system updates fix game streaming components. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox app, then sign in with your Microsoft account so your console and cloud entitlements link. Make sure background apps and Xbox services are allowed. Otherwise, the app can't see your games. Now you're ready to connect hardware and network. Next, pair your Xbox controller. Press the controller's pair button and add it in Windows Bluetooth settings, or plug in with a USB-C cable for zero latency. Then optimize your network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or, better yet, wired Ethernet. Low latency keeps streaming smooth. Once paired, open Windows settings and enable game bar and necessary permissions so overlays and captures work. This step reduces input lag and ensures the Xbox app can. Finally, open the Xbox app and select either console streaming to your home Xbox or cloud gaming to stream Microsoft servers. Choose a game and press play. Adjust streaming quality in the app if you see stuttering. Lower bitrate reduces lag. If the controller drifts or audio cuts, double-check USB drivers and Windows Audio device selection. You can also reboot the router, switch to wired Ethernet, and update GPU drivers to resolve most problems. One key tip: restart both laptop and router before deeper trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.